Good day everyone. Magpadayon ta sa atong discussion about basic theorems on differentiation. So mana naman ta sa first three theorems. So padayon ta karon. So let's begin with theorem number 4. Okay. In theorem number 4, it states that if f of x is equal to the sum or difference of these two functions, then its derivative is again the sum or difference of its derivative. So in other words, kung two terms siya or three terms siya, tagsa-tagsaon na natugwa yung derivative ana. Okay? So in other words, kung pwede na to siya ma-combine, i-combine na to sa atong final answer. Take note ha, in this particular theorem, tagsa-tagsaon na tugwa yung mga derivative, no? No matter pila siya ka terms. Okay. Suppose you have here number 1, you are given y is equal to 7x minus 5. So klaro kayo, it has two terms, 7x and negative 5. So tagsa-tagsaon na to nag-derivative class. In other words, the derivative will be y prime. Kasi derivative be 7x, you have here 7. Okay? Because the derivative of negative 5, which is a constant, is 0. So, yun naman nakasimple. Ato lang siya pakita. So, minus 0. So, y prime is equal to 7. Okay? Derivative of 5 is 0 man. Na napakita. How about number 2? Okay? So, you are given y is equal to x to the 4th over 4 minus x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared minus 6x plus 5. So, pila siya ka terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kanang lima ka terms, isa-isahon na to nagkuha yung derivative, ana. Ina na ka-simple. So, you have y prime. Derivative of that is 4x to the 4th over 4 minus derivative aning second term, you have 3x squared over 3 plus 2 times 2, you have 4x, then minus 6. Okay, so muna yung derivative. Simplify. Y prime, makancel na to. 4 divide 4, so makancel, you will now have x cubed. Minus, makancel Japon because 3 divide 3 is 1, so x squared na lang din siya. Plus 4x minus 6. Okay? So, inana ka-simple, no? So, as a review to this theorem, the sum or difference, you are given the sum or difference of two functions. Yung derivative ana is the sum or difference of its derivative of Japon. Okay? Let's proceed to theorem 5, which is the product rule, no? If f of x is equal to the product of two functions g of x and h of x, then its derivative is with this, no, pattern. You have g of x times the derivative of h of x plus h of x times the derivative of g of x. So far sa katong nakadumdum pa mo, if given kaning product rule, you just have use u dv plus v du, no? Suppose you have y prime is equal to, so inani ra nga pattern na tong limtan. You let u and you let v be the two functions respectively. Then gets its derivative. Kanina itong gamiton na pattern, u dv plus v du, kung muna inyong na-learn sa inyong high school. So, let's go back to this example. So, y is equal to the product of these two functions. So, we let this be our u and this will be our v. Okay, para dali ra. Para dali ra ito magamit ng kuan kanina lang. Kung base mo na ang gitudo sa inyo sa high school, no? So, since we let this as our u, kuha na to yung du, derivative sa u. So, unsa derivative of 3x minus 4? So, derivative of 3x, you have 3. Sa minus 4 is 0, so 3 na lang. How about for dv? Unsa derivative of x cubed? You have 3x squared. Derivative of 5, so 0, so 3x squared na lang dayon. Then, apply din siya nga formula na to, class, para dali ra, no? You now have y prime is equal to, what is our u? 3x minus 4. Our dv times 3x squared plus v It's u plus 5 times 3. Okay? Then, distribute or multiply, no? Ano siya? So, y prime is equal to distribute 3x times 3x squared, you have 9x cubed. Okay? Negative 4 times 3x squared. So, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. You just copy x squared. Then, kanina po siya. 3 times x cubed, you have plus 3x cubed.
Oh, ilang kabok? Ha? Yabi sa pat.
5 times 3, 15. Wala.
Ano din?
Maabre na to.
Mabre na to?
Okay.
Hawakan.
So, observe. Correct? Observe na ito makombine pareha to the power of 3. So, mara na ito makombine. 9 plus 3, you have y prime is equal to 9 plus 3 is 12. You copy x cubed. Then, minus 12x squared plus 15. So, yan na ka-simple. No? So, kato mga naglisod pa, at least natay kuan karon example nga atong gikuan giansiran, no? So, we're done with theorem 5, which is the product rule. Let's proceed now to theorem 6, which is the quotient rule. Okay. Given if f of x is equal to g of x divided by h of x, then its derivative is given by this. H of x times the derivative of g of x minus g of x times the derivative of h of x all over h of x squared. So, kung kadumdum mo, we use this pattern, no? V du minus u dv over v squared. No? Kung kadumdum pa mo sa inyong junior high or katong inyong na-learn sa inyong previous nga algebra. So, inanin na lang para mas madali. If we use this for quotient, then we use this for the product. Okay. So, again, this your u here will be your 2x. Then, your v is the denominator x plus 3. Naglet mo, ana. So, what is the derivative of u? 2x. Di lang tayo mag-derivative. du is 2. dv is 1. Derivative of x is 1 na lang man dayon. Then, substitute these values din sa v du minus u dv over v squared. Ganda na ka-simple. So, in other words, the derivative is given by this. Y prime. What is our v using this formula? X plus 3. V du is, du na to is times 2. Minus u 2x times dv, which is 1. All over x plus 3 squared. Okay? So, simplify further. We have y prime. Distribute. X times 2, you have 2x. 3 times 2 is plus 6. Then, negative 2x times 1 is minus 2x. All over x plus 3 squared. Okay? Can you follow? So, finalize your answer. Y prime. 2x minus 2x is 0. So, 6 na lang din ka dyan. 6 over x plus 3 squared. Okay? Inaano rin siya ka-simple class. I really hope natin na-learn aning tutorial, no? Then, please don't forget to ask questions kung naamang galing. Okay, dagang salamat and don't forget to hit like. Thank you and good day.